Hello, I'd like to tell you about some of the Bird Vibes meditation cards this morning on a windy morning at the Ottawa River. The first card I'd like to point out to you is the card for autumn, because today is the day of the fall equinox. And here's the card for autumn. You see it's a lovely painting, and at the bottom is a small wood thrush. And the autumn card talks about the beauty of this wonderful energy that lights our world. The Bird Vibes meditation cards have pictures of birds. They have facts about birds, and these facts lead into a spiritual message which may help you with your meditation. As an example, one of the cards, an appropriate one for today also, is the very first card. Each card is associated with one of the chakras, and this card, the Canada Goose, is associated with the first chakra. This is a card about grouping, as the geese are grouping here now. In fact, amongst the inukshuks behind me, you'll see one or more Canada geese. I've been hearing them calling and gathering. The message of the Canada geese is that this is a time to regroup, to focus on our friendships, our links, to focus on where we're going, where we're heading, to think about what we want to do in the coming season, in the winter, and to meditate a little bit about where we're at right now. A couple of the other cards that I think are appropriate for now are the cards of hawks. There are two hawks in the Bird Vibes deck. One of them is the broad-winged hawk here, which is a hawk that you see near water, near this river. And this hawk is about the message is about intuition. Another card is the red-tailed hawk. This is a larger hawk. And this hawk is about seeing the big picture, the details and the big picture, and about taking on your power. So these are some examples of the cards in the Bird Vibes deck. And I hope you will enjoy the cards, learn more about birds, pick up some messages for yourself, and use these cards as a tool for meditation. Thanks for listening.